Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Charisna Zahira. I'm from 3J6A25 class. My student ID is 3J220052. This is Syntax Midterm Project 1, Part 1, Constituency. Definition of constituency. Constituents are sentences that consist or are composed of smaller units. Constituents can be units of words or group of words that function as a unit in the sentence structure or one syntactic unit. Sentence structure is starting from complete sentences broken down into parts, and those parts are broken down again. For example, the little boy ate a cookie. Constituents: the little boy non-praise, ate a cookie verb praise, a cookie non-praise. Another example, the girl ate an apple. Constituents: the girl non-praise, ate verb, an apple non-praise. Sentence structure. For example, Lisa baked a cake and John decorated the room. Constituent structure, clause 1, sentence 1, Lisa baked a cake. Conjunction and. Clause 2, sentence 2, John decorated the room. Sentence 1, Lisa baked a cake. Subject Lisa, verb bake, direct object a cake. Sentence 2, John decorated the room. Subject John, verb decorate, direct object the room. Here are factors that determine constituents. First, substitution test. If a group of words can be replaced by a single word pronouns, it can be constituents. For example, the boy with the black shirt is playing. The boy with the black shirt replaced with he. The boy with the black shirt is a constituent non-praise. Another example, the girl with blue dress dance. The girl with the blue dress replaced with she. The girl with the blue dress is a constituent non-praise. Second is coordination test. Two constituents can be connected with the word and or. For example, the boy and the girl go to school. The third is movement test. If a group of words can be moved into a single unit, it may be constituent. For example, the boy kicked the ball. It can be moved. It was the ball that the boy kicked. The ball is constituent non-praise. Another example, I met him at the park. Can be moved to at the park, I met him. At the park is constituent prepositional praise. The fourth is question and answer test. Create a question that was answered is in the word group. For example, she read a journal in the library. The question is, where did she read a journal? The answer is in the library, constituent prepositional praise. Linear order of constituents. Linear order means the order of the words in the sentence. Structure sentence in order from the left to right for English. English is a linearly sequential language. Changing the order of words can change the meaning or makes the sentences nonsensical. For example, the children broke the vase. It's grammatical and have clear meaning. The subject, the children, verb broke, object, the vase. The vase broke the children. Grammatical, but the meaning becomes illogical, as if the vase that broke the children. Vase children, the broke the is not grammatical. Here another example of constituent order. The cat chased the mouse. It's grammatical and have clear meaning. The subject, the cat, verb chase, object the mouse chased the cat, grammatical, but the meaning is reverse. The chase mouse cat the is not grammatical. Hierarchical order of constituents. A sentence of the phrase not only a sequences of words but also a hierarchical structure. Hierarchical structure is where words are grouped into grammatical units that from a multi-level structure or syntactic tree. The first example is old man and woman. The first meaning is old man and ordinary woman. The second meaning is all the people are old, both men and women. The second sentence is, I saw a man with a telescope. First meaning, I used a telescope to see the man. The second meaning is, the man I saw had or carried a telescope. It is different hierarchical structure produce double meanings. Structural ambiguity occurs when one sequence of words has two or more different interpretations because the internal structure of sentence can be broken down in different ways. The words are the same, but the meaning changes depending on how we categorize the words. For example, she painted the house with a brush. The first meaning, she painted the house using a brush. With a brush, explain the tools used for painting. The second meaning is, she painted a house that has a brush in it. The house with a brush is a house that has a brush, or maybe a picture that has a brush object. The second example is, the chicken is ready to eat. The first meaning, the chicken for the meal is cooked. The second meaning is, a chicken is alive and about to eat. Types of constituents. The first is non-praise. It can be noun, subject, object, complement. For example, the little boy is playing outside. Second example, this beautiful painting was sold yesterday. The second, verb praise. It can be verb, object, adverb. For example, I read a book last night. Or the second example, they watch a movie at home. The third is adjective praise. It's centered on adjective as modifier for noun or complement. For example, the cookie is very delicious and she looks extremely happy. The fourth is adverb praise. Adverb of manner, time, expand adjective or the sentence. For example, he ran very quickly, or they arrived quite late. The last is prepositional praise. Preposition followed by non-praise as modifier, adjective or adverb or complements. For example, the cat is under the table, or we went to the beach. This is syntax midterm project 1 part 2, syntax tree diagram analysis. For the first sentence, the book that was recommended by the professor has been borrowed by several students. The sentence have non-praise and verb praise. Non-praise divided into three, that is determiner, the, noun, book, relative pronoun, that. For the verb praise, there are auxiliary verb, that is was. The verb is recommend. The prepositional praise or preposition is by. Then this verb praise has a non-praise that is divided into two, determiner, the, and nounnya professor. There are also verb praise that broken down into auxiliary verb, has been. The verb is borrowed, and it have preposition by. It also have non-praise that is broken down into determiner several and nounnya itu students. For the second sentence, although the match was delayed due to rain, the players continue their warm-up routine. This sentence have subordinative conjunction, that is although, and this sentence there are non-praise and verb praise. The non-praise are determiner, the, and noun match. The verb praise is auxiliary verb was. The verb is delayed. The prepositional praise divided into prepositional and noun. Prepositionalnya due to, The noun is rain. And the sentence also have noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase divided into determiner and noun. The determiner is the noun is player. The verb phrase broken down into verb and noun phrase. Verbnya continued, noun phrase-nya divided into possessive pronouns, that is there, and noun-nya warm up routine. The third sentence, the new regulation were announced by the government after the economy showed signs of instability. The sentence is divided into noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase have noun phrase, verb phrase, and noun phrase. The noun phrase broken down into three. There are determiner, yaitu the adjective new, noun-nya regulation. The verb phrase, there are divided into two, that is auxiliary verb were and verb noun. And these also have prepositional phrase or preposition, yaitu by. The noun phrase broken down into two, that is determiner the and noun government. For the verb phrase, that is adverb, noun phrase, verb, noun phrase, and prepositional verb. For the adverb, we have after, noun phrase broken down into determiner and noun. Determinernya the, noun-nya economy. The verb is showed, and the noun phrase or noun is signs. The prepositional phrase broken down into preposition and noun. The preposition is of, noun-nya instability. Number 4, the man who was arrested last night had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. The sentence have verb, noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase broken down into determiner and noun. Determiner the, noun man. The verb phrase have a relative pronoun, that is who. Also have auxiliary verb, yaitu was. Verbnya arrested. Adverb last night. Also have auxiliary verb had been. Verbnya hiding. For the prepositional phrase or preposition, itu in. Also have noun phrase that is divided into three, that is determiner the, adjective abandoned, and noun-nya warehouse. The last is the verb phrase also have the prepositional phrase that broken down into two. The first is preposition, the second is noun. The preposition for, the noun is weeks. For the fifth sentence or the last sentence, the big girl saw Eleazar with a lovable panda recently. The sentence have noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase broken down into three, the determiner the, adjective big, noun girl. The verb phrase is divided into five, there are verb, noun phrase, prepositional phrase, noun phrase, and adverb. Untuk verbnya so, noun phrase-nya Eleazar, prepositional phrase atau prepositionnya with, noun phrase divided into three, that is determiner adjective lovable, noun-nya panda. This verb phrase also have adverb, that is recently. So that's all for my presentation, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.